Ct Wiz, School Nurse Series. Introduction to Ct Wiz. This video is for school nurses in Connecticut, tasked with using Ct Wiz to help in the administration of their duties. What is Ct Wiz? Ct Wiz is the statewide immunization information system, IIS, designed to meet national standard requirements for effective tracking and administration of immunizations in a public health setting. It is a web-based database that maintains complete, accurate, and secure immunization records for patients vaccinated in Connecticut. What are the benefits of Ct Wiz? For school nurses, linking school rosters with Ct Wiz data can aid in contact tracing efforts during an outbreak of a vaccine-preventable illness. For example, you may use Ct Wiz immunization reporting if you need to determine a listing of those students in your school who are not fully vaccinated against a reported illness, such as COVID-19. This will help you more accurately determine who is most vulnerable and needs to be quarantined during a potential COVID-19 exposure situation. Confidentiality in Ct Wiz. Connecticut state law requires that information in Ct Wiz be kept confidential. All personal information, including immunization status and dates of immunization of individuals, shall be confidential as required. Only the patient, a parent or legal guardian of a child, child's doctor, or healthcare workers, including school nurses, have access to Ct Wiz information. The information will not be shared with any other people or any other agency unless there is a signed release of information authorizing disclosure. Find the reporting requirements, regulations, and mandates of the state of Connecticut regarding Ct Wiz at ct.gov/. Immunization Laws and Regs. Who is enrolled in Ct Wiz? Ct Wiz has been a statewide immunization information system since 1998. All children born in Connecticut are automatically enrolled from birth certificate records. Patients who are not enrolled at birth are enrolled when they are vaccinated in Connecticut, and their provider reports their vaccines administered to Ct Wiz. How are patients notified of their automatic inclusion in Ct Wiz? Ct Wiz is an opt-out system. Per state regulations, this means that patients are automatically enrolled unless they decide to opt out. A notice to patients about reporting to Ct Wiz is posted at healthcare provider offices that are reporting immunization doses administered to patients through a secure, confidential electronic interface. In addition, Connecticut hospital birth packets and home birth packets include this information for new parents. If a patient is opted out, through a request to DPH, Ct Wiz shall no longer update, nor make available, that immunization record, as specified in Section 19A-7H-4 of the Regulations of Connecticut State Agencies. How can patients enroll in Ct Wiz? Some patients, either new to Connecticut or who previously opted out, may wish to enroll or re-enroll in Ct Wiz. The form to enroll or re-enroll is posted on the All About Ct Wiz website in multiple languages. Once completed, it can be mailed, with a copy of the patient's proof of identification, or the parent or guardian's proof of identification, for a minor child, to the Department of Public Health. The All About Ct Wiz website is located at ct.gov/. All About Ct Wiz. How do I request a username and password to log into Ct Wiz? Only registered nurses, who are working as a school nurse, are permitted access to Ct Wiz. People seeking their immunization record through the Ct Wiz public portal do not need user access. For more information about how to request a Ct Wiz user account, access issues, and troubleshooting, please visit the Ct Wiz Vaccine Providers webpage. Where can I get help with Ct Wiz? There are two ways to get help while you are in Ct Wiz. A help icon is located in the upper left-hand corner, next to the screen name. The typical help entry will include a brief summary of the screen, a list of buttons, and other navigation aids that are available, and a description of each field displayed. A Learn More link is located in the upper left-hand corner on most screens. Click on this link to find short, how-to videos, and written instructions. This page displays in a separate window, so you can watch the video. Pause it. Continue on your screen. And then continue watching. These resources open in new windows, so pop-up blockers within your browser may need to be disabled to use them. You can also find the School Nurse Desk Guide at the Ct Wiz School Nurses webpage. If you are having technical issues with the system, find help at the Ct Wiz Technical Support webpage, linked at the bottom of the All About Ct Wiz website. Note, if you are a school-based health center, SBHC, you have full clinic access permissions and can visit Ct Wiz training webpage at ct.gov/Ct Wiz training for full clinic training resources. If you already have clinic access as a SBHC and are also a school nurse and want access to the education module added to your permissions, submit a help desk ticket at https://dph-ct-helpdesk.ct.gov/ticket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it informative. For additional information, please go to the Ct Wiz School Nurses webpage at ct.gov/Ct Wiz School Nurses.